So today we're going to use Gemini to help us analyze a graph that contains information. And that's a really wonderful and efficient way to use in business. I don't rely on the information that it gives me 100%. I always double check it and I tweak it, to make sure that everything that goes out is accurate and proper. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right now. And I'll show you how I use this. So I'm going to go to Gemini. And let's minimize that. Okay. So let's say, let's ask Gemini. I saved, make sure that you can see me. I have saved a graphic that voila, a graphic that I want to use and I want to include in my newsletter. I wanted to look at the data and analyze it. And let me show you how I do that. Using bullet points, analyze and summarize the information in this graphic. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the file. Here's a screenshot of it. And so that you can see what I'm talking about. This is the graphic that I saved. It's a market review as to what happened in real estate in my community in the month of February as compared to January and as compared to a year ago. So you can use this for anything, any forms, or I think that's what I love about AI, that it used to take me a couple of hours to do this on my own, and now it just takes seconds. So let's see what it comes up with. Using bullet points, analyze and summarize the information in this graphic. And let's add and end with a call to action for a buyer and for a seller. Okay, voila. Look how quickly that was. This used to take me a couple of hours to do. Okay, the market review for February 2026. Let's keep this open because I want to double check that information, make sure that it's accurate. I'm splitting my screen. Okay. Covers February 2026 for single family residences. That's correct. That's what I chose. And for the following neighborhoods, that's correct. Key market indicators. Okay. Let's put this over here. Pricing and value. The median sales price is 2.570. That's correct, which reflects a sharp 32.4% drop year over year. That's correct. And 42. That is, yeah, it was a bit radical, that drop, but that's okay. The median sale price per square foot also dipped to 813. Okay. Sales velocity, only 21 sales closed. Okay. In February, 43.2% decrease, 43.2% decrease, et cetera, et cetera. So what I do when I ask AI to help me analyze information is I always double check it as I'm doing here. I'm not going to go through every bullet point because that's not the point of this micro lesson. The idea is just to give you new ideas as to how to use AI as your personal assistant. It's awesome. Strategic outlook, call to action. Let's see if what it says and if I agree with it. For buyers, with inventory supply rising by over 80% and prices cool 80%. Let's see. That's correct. I saw it. So voila, here it is. Yeah. Their January peaks, your leverage is increasing. Would you like me to set up a search for new listings in these specific neighborhoods that fall within so it's a call to action for the buyers. For sellers, I like that, by the way, the call to action. For sellers, while prices have dipped, the list price received remains at 105%, proving that well-priced homes still command a premium. Should I help you analyze recent sold versus list price trends for your specific street to see if the right time to list? So this is really, really good. And it took what, seconds? Maybe 15 seconds for this information to be spewed out by Gemini. So I hope that you see the value in using artificial intelligence. Again, don't rely on it 100%. Don't send it out before you double check everything. So I hope you found this lesson useful today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care. I'm going to stop my share, and I'll see you next week.